Have your clips ready. Select the clip. Tap Transform and set the motion blur to 90. Do the same for each clip. Now for each clip, click on Effects and add the motion tile effect. Now let's start working on the Roto Transitions. Add the effect Transform twice, each representing one movement. Open the first transform, select Rotation and add one keyframe at the start and one after the middle of the clip. Do this also for the Scale property. Now copy my values if you want the same rotation, or invert them if you want the clip to rotate in the other direction. Copy also my Scale values, or set the first one to 200 if you want the opposite zoom. Now for the second movement, add the first keyframe for both rotation and scale around half of the clip. The rest of the process is pretty much unchanged. To finish off, tap on Distort and select the fisheye effect. Add 2 keyframes as before. Now let's complete the transition by animating the second clip. The first transition is done. Now repeat the steps for all clip and play with the scale and position values if you want different results. You can find the QR code preset also in the description.